What's up guys, it's the Smart Home Helper, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install your indoor Ring camera. So just to kind of start right off the bat, you want to unbox it, make sure everything's good. I have it charging right now. So that's the first step, is when you open this up, you're going to want to make sure that you have a light here. So I'll go ahead and get the light going so you can see. But you want to make sure that this is active, right? So I just held the button here on the top to make sure that this is active. Normally it's going to run on its own, but make sure that it's live. After this is live, you're going to go ahead and hold this button after the setup process starts for about 5 to 10 seconds to get this blue flashing light. That's what you're going to want to make sure that it's in the syncing mode. Now, that's here on the device. On the app side, I'll go ahead and walk you through that. But just to talk through this one more time, because I feel like I'm talking fast, you're going to want to make sure that this is powered up, get the blue light flashing, and then to sync it, you're going to hold this button here on the top for 5 seconds. So we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Get that light flashing, hear that noise, and now it's in sync mode. And we'll go ahead and go in the app, and I'll go ahead and show you how to sync it up. But if you guys have any questions with this part so far, definitely leave a comment, but I think the app will help explain it more. So that's our next step. All right, so we're in the Ring app. If you're not set up, that's something you need to do. But the first thing we're gonna do is add a device. It'll pull out the camera, and we're gonna find the QR code on the back. That's gonna detect the device that it is. Once that's set up, we'll say where we're located, where we want it. It'll go through a couple of additional steps and questions about it, making sure it's plugged in, it's installed. But the Wi-Fi is really the biggest one. You're going to want to make sure that you have that set up, because that's going to allow it to connect with the app. So once you got your Wi-Fi and you go through these first initial steps, it's going to jump right here to the Wi-Fi. You'll go ahead and type in your password. It'll sync up, takes about 2 minutes. And then it typically ends with an update here for about 2 or 3 minutes. And after that, it should be good to go for you. There you go. That's how you set up your Ring camera. If you guys have any questions or need help, feel free to leave a comment. I'll help you out. And don't forget to subscribe if we helped you out. Thanks for watching.